Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to view reports in Waze and understand what they actually mean. This feature is what makes Waze different from other navigation apps. Open the Waze app. Even without starting navigation, you can see reports on the map. These reports are added by real drivers who are currently on the road. You'll notice different icons like accidents, traffic jams, police, road closures, construction work, and hazards. Tap on any icon to see more details, such as how long ago the report was added and how many users confirmed it. The more confirmations a report has, the more reliable it is. This helps you decide whether to continue on the same route or choose an alternate one. You can also tap the orange Report button to view and submit reports yourself. This community-based system is the reason Waze gives very accurate traffic updates. If this explanation helped you understand Waze better, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's move on to the next topic.